If you need a device that can do component testing, take a look at the Hioki IM3570. The 3570 combines an LCR meter along with an impedance analyzer that can provide a complete component profile over a broad range of frequencies. Let's take a look at the IM3570 in some detail. This is the multifaceted IM3570 impedance analyzer, which combines an LCR meter and impedance analyzer in one product, offering test frequencies from DC and 4 Hz to 5 MHz, test voltages from 5 millivolts to 5 volts, and test currents from 10 microamps to 50 milliamps. It has a new 5.5-inch color touchscreen with high contrast that produces crystal clear images and text. In LCR mode, it's possible to measure up to 15 different parameters while being able to view any 4 at a time. The built-in comparator gives a pass-fail result based on limits set up by the user for quick component evaluation. Binning functionality can classify component measurements into 10 categories for 2 different parameters, allowing users to grade their products into spec-driven buckets. Unlike earlier versions of our LCR meters, this impedance analyzer offers sweep measurement, which continuously changes the measurement frequency and excitation level, stepping and sweeping, from 2 to 801 points. The unit can also provide the ability to save data to an external memory device using the USB port on the front panel. Some advanced capabilities include LCR measurement with AC signals and resistance measurement with DC current. The IM3570 has increased the speed at which measurements are taken by 12 times, from 6 milliseconds to 0.5 milliseconds over previous models at 1 megahertz without losing any accuracy. If there is a need to apply a bias voltage to the component under test, the IM3570 can now provide DC bias voltages up to 2.5 volts, whereas an optional attachment was required to perform this task in the past. The IM3570 also comes standard with a variety of external connectivity. The rear panel has an RS-232C, GPIB, USB, and LAN port. The unit can be controlled via the LAN using a standard web browser or via the RS-232 and GPIB interfaces using third-party software packages. Finally, our top-notch tech support for those times when you need help on the operation or features of the IM3570 or any other Hioki item is always available.